Hi, in this video I'll share with you how to insert a row if there is a word product ID. You should insert a row. So the expected result will be like this. Insert a row, a blank rows, really just insert blank rows. Some of the name has 3 lines, but the last line is product ID, so we also insert a row. So let's see how it works with this. So go to data tab, choose from table range. Okay, the first thing is that we need to know identify which line has the word product ID. So we go to add column, click custom column. We call it helper column, and here we type if text dot contains inside this dimension name there is a word called product ID. Then we want to repeat certain words. It would be just this alone. Else, now else is just now. Else will be just else will just now do. Let's click OK. Okay, so right here we have this. Let's go to the home. Split column based on not yet. We got to merge all this. Right click and then click merge column. Merge with columns. Click OK. So we have a merge field, and right here click split column, split by delimited. Yes, we got space. In the advanced option you choose rows. Click OK, and you can see that right here uh, we have a duplicate value here. So what happened is that want to if this is a duplicate, we want to change it to now. To do that, we go to the add column, custom column. We have another column called helper column 2. So we check this help column. Is it equal to alias 1? If yes, then now. Else we will use the merge column. Click OK. So we can see that we're almost there, right? Whenever there is this alias 1, we change it to now. Now we just right click, select this one and remove columns, and go back to home tab, split column, split that delimited, and we go by the default columns. Almost there. Rename the name called forgot what is that called, dimension name. Okay, dimension. In here dimension, this is dimension name. This one is status. Close the load to choose the locations, existing worksheet. Maybe I click here. Click OK. So it's now loaded into a table. Exactly the same. Okay, so thanks for watching. God bless you.